Before a robot can build, it has to watch a human do it first. And right now, Pakistan is making that happen for the world.
These sensors automatically, once worn by an employee in the form of gloves or a head camera, or they automatically track and collate a data set based on that worker's motion for the day and utilized to train intelligent machinery. Pakistan just makes sense. You have a very, very physical labor force still. We still use people. And we still rely on our people, and our people have long since been our best asset. Pakistan has been this HR factory for decades. Pakistani industry is prime for it, logistically, and because it's physically staffed. Also, we have incredible relations with both China and the United States of America, both the two core drivers in the superintelligence race.
दरअसल सर बहुत भारी हो जाते हैं जब हमारे पास टारगेट होता है ना, तो हमारा ना फोकस हट रहा होता है हमारे काम पे से, सर में दर्द हो रहा होता है, फिर वो टारगेट में थोड़ा सा मसला आता है। वैसे तो सही है, अगर कैमरा कंधे पे लग जाए तो बेहतर है, हम लोग डिस्टर्ब ना हो।
The automation of physical work is something that's being decided in California or in Shenzhen, regardless of whether or not we participate. So the workers are glad to have a chance to participate in this chain. We have the capacity to provide the human superintelligence race with frontier-level, state-of-the-art data. This as a commodity will backbone the industry, already has been, and will continue to do so. Why not take our seat at the table? Supply the infrastructure for it.
For Pakistan's manufacturing sector, supplying raw physical data could mean a crucial gateway into the multi-billion-dollar AI economy. Whether this data boom leads to sustainable high-tech growth or accelerates local automation will depend on how Pakistan manages the shift.